I sit by myself, talking to the moon, trying to get to you.
Ice cream.
Ice cream is the one I showed you, like 6 months old.
6 months. It gone.
This week, last week. Actually, last week I gave away 4 cats.
4 cats last
3
week.
kitten, one that young